On this Make It Once video, I make a crooked toothbrush. So I was looking for a soft brush to clean little bits and pieces like that, and a toothbrush is just right because it's designed not to scratch anything and it's nice and soft. But if you're kind of tucked in like this, your knuckles hit. So I'm gonna change the shape of the toothbrush so that it works a little bit better. And these are just, you know, free that the dentists give out. They're really cheap. So I'm gonna use a heat gun to change the shape here. So we'll let that cool off, and now I can kind of get into the nooks and crannies and my knuckles will stay away from the surface.